Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keep My Life in Order. Today's video, guys, we are decluttering my spice cabinet. Alright you guys, in today's video we're going to declutter and organize my spice cabinet. As you can see, it looks all out of sorts. Okay, I got some straws and just everywhere and some stove burners, and you know, I don't have a whole lot of spices, but of course it can be well organized. So this is what we're going to be doing in this video, you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with the process. So typically when you start doing this, you know you got to go and see what's expired, what's old, pull everything out. So we're going to go ahead and do that part, and then we're going to continue to get this spice cabinet in order. Alright you guys, here's the fun part of projects that I love doing, nest and stage and organizing piece. So now you guys, these are some trays that I got from the Dollar Tree. They are very, very affordable, and for the amount of spices I have, these are going to be perfect for me. So let's go ahead and stage and get my cabinet organized. right, you guys, here's the final look of my organized spice cabinets. All the containers and the trays, I got them from the Dollar Tree. So if you guys are looking for an affordable way to organize your spice cabinet, please shop your local Dollar Tree, you guys. It will do wonders for you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I gave you some great inspiration to declutter and organize your spice cabinet, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.